Welcome to avSign.lite, the fast, reliable digital signage platform. avSign.lite is a digital sign application designed for offline-first purpose. It has embedded CMS, which is easy to use. Player-hosted CMS needs no additional hardware, works with Fire TV Stick, Fire TV, or Windows devices. Local caching ensures continuous playback. Open your browser, upload content, and publish to device. avSign.lite's embedded CMS runs on the player, so updates go live instantly, and playback keeps running offline. avSign.lite, low cost, one-time purchase with no monthly fees. Security is built in. It runs on your local network, stores content locally, and uses JWT-based device authentication. To use avSign.lite, do just 2 steps. Install the app, then manage content in your browser. Step 1. Install or download the app on your device. Open it. Your player will be ready for Connect. Open Explorer on Android. Double-click apprelease.apk. Then tap Open when App Installed appears. Fire TV users can install from the store by searching avSign. The app provides a web access URL and QR code. Step 2. Open Chrome or Firefox on any device in the same local network and enter the web access URL shown on your screen, or scan the QR code. Sign in using the username and initial password displayed to manage content. Log in to avSign.lite with the default credentials shown. From the dashboard and sidebar menu, open Playlists, select a sample playlist, and publish it to the device. The update is immediate. The player starts playing straight away. Let's take a minute to walk through the admin UI web pages. Click the side menu and open Resources. Here you'll find sample assets and My Media Library with your uploaded assets, stock contents for ready-to-download media, and plugins for additional widgets. Open Layouts and create a new layout. Add a media zone to the canvas. You can drag one in or click to create it. Double-click the zone to enlarge it to full screen and adjust its size. From Plugins, add a Swiss clock widget, position it, then configure the time zone and style. Save the layout in Preview to confirm everything looks right. Click New Playlist, choose a template, and enter playlist name. Click Add Content to open the pop-up media library. Select media into the playlist. Set durations and reorder items as needed. Then click Save to create the playlist. Set a schedule if desired, and press Publish to send it to your device. Open stock content from the sidebar. The default source is pixels. Select and click Download. Pick the resolution. The downloaded file is saved to my media library. Get started today. Visit our portal to watch a demo. Thank you for watching.